There were moments this year where I felt disconnected. Not lost, just off. Like I was moving, but I couldn't quite arrive. I kept asking God for clarity. For a long time, it felt like nothing was happening. I watched other people move faster, louder, with more certainty. And I wonder why my life felt so quiet. I questioned my timing, my purpose, and my obedience. This year asked me questions that I didn't want to answer. But silence doesn't mean absence. I started realizing God wasn't ignoring me. He was really shaping me. Waiting wasn't my punishment. It was actually my preparation. This year stripped away the versions of me that needed noise to feel valuable. I'm grateful for the people who stayed when there was nothing to show, for the moments that slowed me down enough to listen. Not every season is meant to produce fruit you can post. Some seasons are meant to deepen the roots. I didn't hate this year. I just didn't understand it while I was living it. Because honestly, this year didn't give me everything I asked for. It gave me perspective. It gave me patience. It gave me direction. And if I learned anything this year, becoming takes time.